Hello everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask for your support to help this channel grow. Please subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends and family. Today, we are exploring a breathtaking intersection of design and responsibility. Stunning prefabricated homes, beauty and practicality combined. But what does this truly mean? It refers to a new generation of eco-conscious housing where high-end aesthetics meet the absolute efficiency of pre-built technology. These aren't just houses, they are environmental statements. The stunning aspect comes from modern, clean lines and the use of natural light, while practicality is found in the sustainable materials and the reduced carbon footprint that factory-built homes offer. It is the realization that you don't have to choose between a gorgeous, luxury home and a home that respects the planet. You can have both in one perfectly engineered package. The benefits of owning a stunning eco-prefab home are as vast as the landscapes they inhabit. Because these homes are constructed in a controlled factory setting, the precision of the build is vastly superior to traditional on-site construction, leading to airtight structures that drastically reduce energy waste. This translates to a significantly lower utility bill and a home that stays naturally comfortable year-round. Beyond the financial savings, the environmental impact is a major win. Prefab construction produces significantly less waste than traditional builds. You are also looking at a much faster timeline, often moving into your sanctuary in a matter of weeks rather than years. By combining beauty with this level of practicality, you gain a high-performance living space that promotes well-being through its connection to nature and its use of non-toxic, sustainable materials. Decorating the exterior of an eco-prefab home to look its best requires a focus on biophilic design, bringing the outdoors in. To enhance the modern, pre-built aesthetic, use a palette of earthy, muted tones that allow the structure to recede into the landscape. Incorporate vertical gardens or living walls to soften the sharp geometric edges of the prefab modules. Large, wrap-around wooden decks made from reclaimed timber or sustainable bamboo provide a physical bridge between the home and the earth, making the house feel like a natural extension of its environment. Additionally, consider the use of gravel pathways and drought-resistant native plants rather than high-maintenance lawns. This not only looks professionally designed, but also reinforces the eco-friendly mission of your home. Strategic exterior LED lighting, powered by solar energy, can highlight the architectural silhouette at night, creating a glowing, sophisticated presence. The best styles for stunning eco-prefabs often lean toward modern minimalist and contemporary rustic. The modern minimalist style utilizes flat roofs, expansive glass walls, and monochromatic finishes to create a sleek, futuristic look that emphasizes the efficiency of the build. On the other hand, the contemporary rustic style is perfect for those who want a warmer feel. It combines the industrial precision of prefab modules with natural stone facades and warm wood cladding. For those in more extreme climates, the A-frame or gabled eco-pod style is making a huge comeback, offering high ceilings and a nostalgic, cabin-like charm while utilizing cutting-edge insulation technology. Each of these styles proves that pre-built homes are no longer limited to a specific look, but are instead a versatile canvas for any environmental dream. Now, let's explore our top 10 stunning prefabricated homes. Beauty and practicality combine ideas. One, the cantilever glass pavilion. This stunning design features a bold upper module that projects out over the lower level, creating a dramatic architectural silhouette. With floor-to-ceiling glass wrapping the entire structure, it offers uninterrupted views and a seamless connection to the surrounding nature. 2. The modern black timber retreat. A masterclass in contemporary rustic design. This home uses dark stained vertical wood siding to blend into the forest shadows. The sharp gabled roof and large picture windows create a cozy yet sophisticated sanctuary that is both energy efficient and visually striking. 3. The scandinavian minimalist lighthouse. Focusing on purity and light, this prefab home utilizes light-toned wood and a white facade. The simple, clean lines and elevated platform minimize the impact on the land, embodying the essence of eco-friendly practicality. 4. The geometric mountain lodge. This design features a unique, angular roofline that mimics the surrounding peaks. The mix of natural stone accents and high-performance glass makes it a rugged yet luxurious retreat that can withstand the harshest environmental elements. 5. The floating forest cube. A compact, single-module marvel that sits on a raised steel foundation to protect the soil below. Its monochromatic gray finish and large glass sliding doors prove that even a small footprint can offer grand, high-end living. 6. The multi-level eco-estate. This expansive design connects several modules with glass walkways, creating a sprawling luxury compound. The use of integrated solar panels on the flat roof sections ensures that this beauty is powered entirely by the sun. 7. The wrap deck coastal villa. Perfect for seaside living, this home is defined by its massive wraparound wooden deck. The light, airy exterior and open concept layout maximize sea breezes, reducing the need for artificial cooling. 8. The industrial sheet cabin. Combining corrugated metal with warm timber. This design offers a rugged, low-maintenance exterior. It's a perfect example of how industrial materials can be repurposed into a stunning, practical home for every taste. 9. The L-shaped courtyard sanctuary. By arranging modules in an L shape, this design creates a private, sheltered outdoor area perfect for a sustainable garden. The mix of smooth plaster and wood slats gives it a high-end, gallery-like feel. 10. The luminous sunset showpiece. Highlighting the power of evening aesthetics, this home features integrated LED strips along the eaves. The warm glow against the dark exterior creates a cinematic look, proving that eco-prefab homes are the ultimate in modern luxury. In conclusion, stunning prefabricated homes represent the perfect marriage of beauty and practicality. They challenge us to live better, faster, cleaner, and more beautifully. By choosing an eco-conscious pre-built path, you aren't just building a house. You are participating in a global shift toward a more sustainable and aesthetically inspired future. If you found these environmental home designs as inspiring as we did, please hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more weekly architectural tours. Which of these 10 designs would you move into today? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update on the future of home design. Thanks for watching and stay inspired.